Hi, Adriana. I just am now seeing that your long annotated bibliography has a 76% AI detection. Um, it's not something that you see, which I don't know why they do it that way. I feel like you should see it, but I see it and I can see where it is. So I'm clicking on that to see what's been flagged, which is the majority of what you've written, and I can't grade. I can't grade this. I need you to fix it, and maybe we should probably talk. Sometimes there are reasons for this. There are different ways it happens. One way I've noticed in the past is having students who rely pretty heavily on like Grammarly word choice. This doesn't look like that to me. This looks like ChatGPT summaries to me, but I would be happy to Zoom with you, or you can just fix it and resubmit it. But for now, this has to be a 0, and I'm also supposed to turn in a report when this happens. Um,